Hey biscuits, welcome back to today's video. I did not do a Sunday video because I was having several days of an intense panic attack that I talked about yesterday on the main channel of my vlogs. Oh my goodness, yes, whew, hadn't had one of those in like a year and a half, and it was intense. So I gave myself some mental health time, just, you know, take care of all my anxieties. Oh my goodness, but I thought I'd do a little chat and fold. My leggings. You know how I can tell that it's going to take a long time for my fashion style to recover from COVID? Is that when I put on leggings to like go to the doctor's office, I think, oh, I'm so dressed up today, I'm not in sweats. The only thing keeping me somewhat stylish is probably shooting my Patreon content. Because like, then I get to have fun and dress up, but day to day, my style is just gonna be like, you know what I did? Old Navy had a sale going on, and I ordered several new sweatpants because I thought, why not? I probably am gonna wear them. Yeah, it's come to that. It's okay. I'm much more comfortable and warm, I gotta say. Pacific Northwest, you should totally own a ton of sweats because it's like the thing to wear. It's always cold and damp here. Sweats are cozy and warm. I love it. It works out really well. Now our question for today is, what are the odds that I actually find matching pairs for all these socks? I think it's lower than I would hope, but I'm putting them in the pile. That's how I rock and roll. How have you been, biscuits? I hope you have not been having crazy panic attacks. It did make me think, oh dang it, I thought this was a matching pair. It's not. It did make me think that I should chat about ways that I kind of use homemaking or ways that I organize my homemaking to help me not panic. Because I have to say, my panic attacks do not come from like motherhood or homemaking. My panic attacks come from good old-fashioned health anxieties, aka the plague pandemic year. Which, you know, if it doesn't stress you out, you probably aren't watching any news or listening to anything about it. Ooh, up in the shop, there's an essential oil for that, for all the homemakers out there. Oh yeah. I love this shirt, I wear it all around. In fact, I have a ton of photos of me on Instagram in that right now, because I was photographing all our merch for the spring line. You okay, Biscaboo? Can you? Yes. I think we have a guest star for today's vlog. Are we sad? Oh, she was having such a good time in the swing. Yeah. You're okay. I love you. Well, maybe this will just be a chat hello instead of a chat and fold. If you're one of my family members and you come to my house and you go, boy, she's got a lot of laundry spilling out of the hamper that hasn't been folded. Now you know why. So, okay, panic disorders, anxiety, right? They're on the rise. People have been really anxious. Yes, if this year hasn't made you anxious, you probably are just going to sail through life without any anxiety. But yes, you're okay. Just don't suffocate your little nose, my love. So I like to know that I have one day a week where I'm going to clean. Because that lets me not sit down in the evenings after I make dinner and tidy up from that and go, I better clean. Oh my God, when am I going to do this? When am I going to do that? It lets me know Thursdays have always been our big clean day, where, you know, I put baby in the baby carrier, I get Abraham to help me, and we clean, and we clean. And that lets me have downtime, because I think as a homemaker, whether you're a mom or a dad, you've got to have, you got it, there you go. Little baby noses are so tiny. You've got to have the ability to calm down the evenings, relax, and not be constantly thinking, I need to do something for the home, something for this, I need to fold laundry, I need to clean the bathtub, I need to scrub the toilets, I need to put away dishes, right? Because then you will, like, what's the point of being a homemaker if you're never comfortable and happy at home? And the way I kind of handle homemaking is I'm trying to make a family home that is really joyful and fun and playful and full of happiness, right? And that can't be the case if the primary homemaker is constantly stressed, can never sit down and relax. So by giving myself a day a week where I know we're going to take time and we're going to deep cleans, so that's really helpful. And you might have a different day of the week that really works for you. You might be one of those evening cleaners. I know people that love to clean at night after the kids go to bed, and it's really like that's their zone. That's when they get into the zone. I can't do it. By then, I'm exhausted. I'm dead on my feet. There's no way I can coherently clean in the evenings. Yeah, just not gonna happen. Yeah, I'm not an evening cleaner. I am a get up in the morning and clean, and that's really my strong time to clean is to get up in the morning, clean, and maybe take a break for lunch and keep tidying. And I've shortened, so if you are having little ones in the home, I've kind of shortened my expectations for how long our cleaning day is going to last and how long throughout the week for small tasks I'm going to get. So instead of being able to do an hour here, I might be getting 15 minutes in, right? Which brings me back to the good old days of speed cleaning. I feel like I haven't shot a lot of speed cleaning content lately. I've been speed cleaning, I just haven't got out the camera. Yeah. I know YouTube gets so persnickety about what I can and can't post that sometimes it's hard to have the motivation of like, I really want to share this, but you know, is some moderator going to be like, oh, what did you share? I don't know. Yes, my love. At least it's cold weather right now, and so I'm not in shorts. Take that, YouTube. They hate my shorts. They really do. In a way that I don't quite understand. I'm like, okay, ladies get to wear shorts. I'm going to rant on that for years, just for the record. So yeah, so lowering expectations if you have little young ones at home really helps. And I don't mean that in a, I'm going to live in a barn with poop on the floor kind of expectations. I just mean that when we have reasonable expectations for the season of our lives, we're way less stressed, we have less anxiety, and it really helps overall to just lower our anxiety levels when we have reasonable expectations. Not bad expectations and not expectations that are so low that then that causes us anxiety, but just reasonable ones where we go, oh, this makes sense, yeah. You know, this is the season of life that we're in, and so for little ones, I lower that down to like 15-minute increments. This morning I made pancakes for everybody, and while I was heating up the pan, because I cook them in a cast iron pan, while I was doing that, then I did some dishes and I cleaned out the filter in the dishwasher, and then boom, pancakes were done, and I was like, okay, that was, you know, I just multitask and kind of time schedule in 15-minute increments for cleaning. Yes. Oh, I kind of mentioned my third one on here. Multitasking. Oh my god, multitasking is the bee's knees. If you can baby wear, you can get so much up high stuff done. I have found when they're this little, my daughter is 2 months old, that I can't do a lot of like on the ground work because she'll just bop around in the baby care, and I feel like that's not safe for their little heads. So I can do sweeping, I can do counters, I can do dishes, and multitask that way. I can start teaching. My son's doing homeschool this year because of crazy schools during the plague times. And so, you know, he learns with me on home ec. He'll learn math and numbers because we talk about the things we're doing for cleaning. And I think just good work ethic of, you know, teaching your kids to clean is important. Yes, it is, my darling. So it's small, simple things for me that uses homemaking as a way to lower anxiety and also as a way for homemaking to not cause or trigger anxiety. Because I've seen parents who derive a lot of stress from homemaking because they just put these expectations on themselves and these schedules that you just can't meet. And one of the ways that homemaking for me actually calms me is that it's a very focused, results-oriented kind of thing. You know, when you're cleaning, when you're making a meal, you have a set time, you have a finished either product of food or a clean home that you've done. And I find that very satisfying, and I find it mentally calming. I was talking about panic disorders on my Instagram, and I was talking about how like paint by numbers can be really therapeutic for people with anxiety and panic attacks because it's a solid, real life, simple, task-oriented thing that you can do that doesn't have a right or wrong. And I feel like homemaking for me really helps with any stress I'm experiencing for the same way. And yeah, are you well done? Okay, biscuits, I'm gonna sign off. Oh yeah, trying to be YouTube friendly with the multitasking here. So silly that one needs to be. Yeah, oh, don't suffocate yourself. No. And the daughters are as big as your head. I'm going to see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for staying along, even though I have not been at my regular upload schedule. I know, but you know what, that's part of lowering my stress too, is just getting done what I can do, and giving you the best version of my content that I can, instead of trying to like pump something out that's one quick video that I don't really love or embrace. Yeah, so I try to give you things that I really care about that I hope will make your homemaking better. See you in the next video.